Hi guys, today I've got 4 easy curly bun hairstyles perfect for medium to long hair. To start, we're going to do an easy high curly bun using just one ponytail. To start, we're going to pop the hair into a high ponytail. I've left a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Then I'm just going to apply a little wax spray all around the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit and add some texture. Next, take another elastic band and again start wrapping it around the ponytail. But on the last turn, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a small loop. Make sure the ends of the hair are sticking up towards the ceiling. And then I'm just going to push that loop towards the head and secure it through the middle on both sides with a couple of bobby pins. Then I'm going to take a small curling iron and take small sections of hair and wrap the hair around it. Take the section next to it and do the same steps but wrap it in the opposite direction. And we're just going to carry on curling the rest of the hair in this way. The tighter the curl, the better this style looks. Next, add some texture powder all over those curls. And then I'm going to split each individual curl into 3 sections. This just gives it a little bit more of an airy look. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Then grab those curls near the top and push them up and secure them to the top of the loop with a couple of bobby pins. And then we're just going to secure it to the right and left hand side of that loop as well to keep it secure. Next, I'm going to grab the middle of the curls, push them up towards the bottom of the loop and again secure with a few pins. Then finish everything off with some Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, I've got this beautiful mid-height curly bun. To start, I've curled the hair and I'm splitting it in half straight across. Secure the top half into a ponytail. Then apply some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Gently pinch and pull at the hair with your fingers to create a little bit more texture and volume. Pin that ponytail out of your way for now. And with the remaining hair, I'm just going to sweep this as high as possible and put it into another ponytail directly below the first one. Release that top ponytail down. Grab the ponytail with your left hand, bring your right hand up and over the top, fingers pointing down. Then start twisting it slowly towards the head to create a loop. Leave the ends hanging out and then secure that loop to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Keep your pins closed for better hold. And we're going to repeat on the second ponytail, but this time I'm going to take hold of it with my right hand. Grab the top with my left hand, twist it towards the head to create your loop, which is slightly going to be overlapping the first one. Hold to the head and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed, leaving those tail ends hanging loose. Now I need to thin out the ends of these hairs because there's too many curls, so take the section you don't want, add a bobby pin on the end, twist it towards the bun and slide it in. I'm going to do this with the other side, so any hair you don't want, pop a bobby pin on the end, roll it towards the bun and then just slide it in. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. I love how effortless this one is. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 3, I've got a lovely low messy bun using just 3 ponytails. Divide off a section on the left by taking your finger from the side of the head to the middle of the neck, and then do the same on the right hand side. So you should have 3 sections of hair. Pop the middle section into a low ponytail with an elastic band. Then pop both side sections into a ponytail the same height as the first one. So you should have 3 ponytails all in a row. Next, I'm going to apply some texture powder all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit. And starting with the middle ponytail, I'm going to do a rope braid, so split it in half, twist both halves to the left, and then cross the left strand over the right strand. And you just keep doing this all the way down to the end and secure it with an elastic band. Then repeat on the left hand ponytail, so split it in half, twist both sections to the left, and then cross the left strand over the right strand. Repeat all the way to the bottom of the hair. And then do the same steps on that last ponytail. I'm going to pop a couple of fingers through a strand of the elastic band and then pass that braid up to my fingers and just pull the ends through so you've got a little loop of hair. Then repeat the same steps on the other 2 braids. So you should have 3 loops altogether. And starting on the left hand side, I'm going to pop a few fingers through that loop, and then I'm going to grab that middle loop and pull it all the way through the hole. Then go over to the right hand side and pop your fingers through that hole. Grab that middle loop again and pull it all the way through. Hold the hair to the nape of the neck and then secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some more of that texture spray over your bun and then gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this hairstyle. The more you pull it, the better it will look. And here's the finished look. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Moving on to the last hairstyle, I've got a lovely mid-height messy curly bun which takes about 2 minutes. Start by popping the hair into a mid-height ponytail. Then I'm going to loosen things up by gently pinching and pulling the hair around the sides and the crown. Next, I'm going to make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then pass that ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole, creating a sideways twist. Divide the ponytail in half, and with that top section we're going to twist it towards the face and cross it over the bottom section. Then we're going to take a small piece of hair from that new top section and let it hang down. Twist the top section towards the face, cross it over the bottom section. Take your little tiny piece of hair and drop it out of that rope braid. And we're going to repeat this process all the way down to the end of the hair. So it should look something like this. Then we're just going to tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to add some texture spray. I'll pop what I'm using in the description below. Then we're going to gently pinch and pull at every loop and twist of that rope braid to make it more voluminous. Pop your fingers back behind that elastic band, and we're going to take that rope braid, bring it up and over the top of the head, grab the ends with your fingers and start pulling it all the way through that hole. Then just hold that little loop to the head and secure all the way round with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comments section below.